Good evening, friends. First of all, thank you very much for giving me the opportunity. My channel is hashtag Anu1234. I belong to Rangat, Middle Andaman. Friends, you can see this pot. I make hole around it. You can see, right? Now I am planting some new plants. You can see here. Next, I will fill this pot with soil, ground soil. You can see this our small garden. Now I will fill this pot. Grass. You can see this pot, it is fully filled. You can see here some weeds also, wild plants. So I will remove these plants. First of all, I put some water to make the soil wet because it is fully dried. As you know, plants are an essential item of nature. Plants and trees are essential component of our life, right? I keep this pot here. Friends, though overpopulation has damaged the environment through gardening,